Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign, this is July mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces. So the messages for you. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, water sign. I think a lot of thinking is going. Under the deck, High Priestess, 3 of Wands, 9 of Wands, and the Lovers. Yeah, there is love between you and your person. At the same time, there is confusion also. And you are guarded up. You turn your back from your person. And Pisces, lots of you are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. But you want this person in your life, but you can't do anything. That type of situation you are in. You want this person. At the same time, you can't make any move. And High Priestess, and you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, and you are manifesting something in your life. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Judgment, Hangman, and King of Swords. Yeah, in recent past, you are in some confusion, and you are spiritually awakening also. You have to make some decision regarding this relationship or regarding your life. Yeah, you're in starting, you are in some confusion, but later you got clarity. Then you made a decision. Maybe you gave them clarity also, because King of Swords energy. So you are very straightforward in nature, very honest. So you gave them clarity. You made a decision in recent past. Then present, 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, and 3 of Cups. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Here family, friends could be the issue, or other man or other woman. You keep waiting on them, even though you both are separated, but still you are waiting for their message, for their call. And you keep thinking on them and you keep waiting on them. And in financial wise, you are investing some money in some businesses and waiting for the result. And you have options also, but you have no clarity which one you have to choose. You are in so much confusion because 2 of Wands is here. And then future 2 of Pentacles, the World, and 6 of Cups. Still you are juggling. Yes, you made a decision, but some part of you want this person back. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person, but you still thinking of them because 6 of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and strong past life connection with each other. Yes, I think you want to move on from this person and you made a decision, but you can't. That type of situation I am seeing here. And the person involved in this connection could be another Pisces or Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Under the deck, Princess of Wands, Queen of Swords, and 8 of Pentacles. I think Queen of Swords and King of Swords, you both have some ego problems. Maybe there is no smooth communication between you and your person. But your person really want to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles and Princess of Wands. There is some communication is coming, text or message. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Pisces. Five of Cups, Two of Swords, Nine of Cups, lot of water energy. Three of Cups and Three of Wands and Five of Swords. Yeah, there are some issues going between you and your person. Lots of you are involved in third party, but your person want reconciliation. They keep waiting on you, but not making any move. To be honest with you, because Five of Cups, yes, they're missing you. They're at some crossroads. They're wishing for this connection. Right now, in their thinking, they're wishing only, and they keep waiting on you. They're still waiting on you, and they want positive growth. So let's see their intentions. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot, and they want success in this connection. But I think they're thinking, they're just wishing, but right now they can't move any, they can't make any move because the Tower, right now they're going through a lot in their life, Pisces, and they're missing you, and lot of drama is going. Maybe families involved in this connection, that could be the issue, but they're still attracted to you, they still want you back, but right now they're very tight. Yes, their energy is totally drained. That's why they're wishing and they want you back, but they're just wishing, not making any more, to be honest with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. But they are missing you so much. And you both thinking about each other a lot. I think you both are mirroring each other a lot. Because they are also at some crossroads. You are also at some crossroads. See, Seven of Swords, trust issues, Wheel of the World. Yeah, I think some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, there is a chance for new beginnings. Yeah, it's a mutual love, and they're wishing this happiness, but they're going through a lot. Maybe they are going through some transformation also. Yeah, trust issues. Maybe they are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding something from you, or they are hiding something from you. Yeah, could be another Pisces involved. Yes, lot of drama is going. But you both love each other a lot. It's a mutual love, and you both wishing. At least you are also wishing. Yeah, I think you both are on the same page. You both wishing for the same. But lot of issues involved in this connection, lot of obstacles. Yeah, patience is the key here, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius and the Fool. Wow, there will be new beginnings, but there are some obstacles in this connection, there are some issues involved, and at the same time patience is the key. Yeah, lots of you, there will be new beginnings, brand passionate new beginnings, and for some you both manifesting this connection again. So let's pull some messages from your person and through the channel, Pisces. I'm serious about you. Past life connection. I want you back. Religious factors. Communication is coming. I can't give you what you need. So the messages are, I can't give you what you need. I'm serious about you. Past life connection. I want you back. Communication is coming. And religious factors. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Prosperity lies ahead. A time for healing, and you are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So if you are going through a lot right now, this is the message for you. A time for healing. Take a break and heal yourself completely. Do meditation, Pisces, and you are good enough. If you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. You are good enough, full moon in Virgo energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.